Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Time. I'm your host, David, and as always, I'm here with my amazing co-host, Grace.
Hi, everyone. Hi, David. It's so good to be here again.
It's great to have you here, Grace. And hello to all our wonderful listeners around the world. Thank you for joining us today.
Yes, thank you so much for listening, for learning, and for sharing your time with us.
Today, we're talking about something that everyone does, every single day, no matter where you live. Can you guess what it is?
Sleeping? Brushing your teeth?
Good guesses. But no, today's topic is cooking at home.
Oh, I love that. I love eating at home.
That counts too. Cooking and eating go together.
That's right. So today, we'll talk about how to talk about cooking in English. Simple, everyday English you can use at home.
Exactly. We'll also share some real-life examples, a few funny moments, and some useful vocabulary.
So if you love food, home, and good stories, this episode is for you.
Let's get started. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast if you enjoy learning English with us.
Yes, please do. Let's cook up some English fun today.
So, Grace, let me ask you, do you like cooking at home?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no. It depends on my mood.
That's fair. Many people feel that way. So what do you usually cook?
Well, when I'm lazy, I cook noodles. Just noodles and maybe an egg. When I feel, fancy, I cook fried rice.
That's great. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated. Even simple meals can be delicious and healthy.
Yes, and it saves money too.
Exactly. Cooking at home is often cheaper, and you can control what you eat. That's important for health.
I agree. But sometimes I don't know how to say things about cooking in English.
That's why we're here. Let's start with some useful words.
Okay.
The first one, cook. It can be a verb, I cook dinner every night, or a noun, my mom is a great cook.
Right. So I can say, I cook rice every day, or my friend is a good cook.
Perfect. Next word, boil. It means to heat something until it bubbles. For example, boil water for tea.
Boil water. Boil eggs. Boil noodles.
Yes, you got it. Next we have fry. That means to cook something in oil, like fry an egg, fry chicken, fry vegetables.
Oh, like fried rice?
Exactly. Fried rice means rice cooked with oil and other ingredients.
Okay, I know that one. What about bake?
Good question. Bake means to cook in an oven, like bake a cake, bake bread, bake cookies.
Yes, I love baked cookies.
Who doesn't? And here's another important word, chop. To chop means to cut food into small pieces. For example, chop the onions.
Oh, I always cry when I chop onions.
Yes, everyone does.
So, David, can I say I chop fruit too?
You can. Or you can say cut fruit. They both work. Chop is for small pieces. Cut is more general.
Got it.
So far, we've learned cook, boil, fry, bake, and chop. Let's repeat them together slowly.
Cook, boil, fry, bake, chop. I love it. Sounds like we're making a recipe for English words.
Yes, we're cooking English today.
I love that phrase, cooking English.
Maybe that should be our next show title.
Yes, Cooking English with David and Grace.
What do you think, listeners? Would you join that show?
Tell us in the comments.
Okay, Grace, let's imagine this. It's Saturday morning, you're at home, you're hungry. You want to make breakfast.
Sounds good already.
So what do you do first?
First, I go to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I look and say, what can I eat?
Yes, that's a very real moment.
Then I see some eggs, some bread, and a tomato.
Perfect. So what do you make?
I think I can make scrambled eggs.
Nice. Let's go step by step. In English. Ready?
Ready.
Step 1. Crack the eggs into a bowl.
Crack the eggs. Okay.
Step 2. Add a little salt and pepper.
Add salt and pepper.
Step 3. Mix it well. Or you can say, beat the eggs.
Beat the eggs. Okay.
Then, step 4. Heat the pan. Add a little oil or butter.
I love butter.
Me too. Step 5. Pour the eggs into the pan and stir slowly.
So that's scramble, right?
Yes, that's why it's called scrambled eggs.
Oh, now I understand.
Finally, step 6. Put it on a plate and eat.
Yum. That's easy.
See? You just cooked breakfast and spoke English.
Double win.
Now, let's practice a small dialogue using cooking verbs. Ready to act?
Always ready.
Grace, what are you doing?
I'm cooking breakfast. I'm making scrambled eggs.
That sounds delicious. What did you put in it?
Just eggs, salt, pepper, and love.
That's the best ingredient. Now, let's talk about another real-life situation. Dinner with family.
Yes, dinner time is always special.
Exactly. Let's imagine you're helping your father cook dinner.
Okay, I'm ready. Dad, what should I do?
Grace, please chop the vegetables.
Okay. I'm chopping the vegetables.
Good. Now boil the water for soup.
Boiling the water.
And don't forget to fry the fish.
Yes, chef.
Great job. See how natural that sounds? You can describe actions with I'm plus verb plus ing. For example, I'm cooking, I'm chopping, I'm boiling.
Yes, that helps me sound more natural.
Exactly. And when you're learning English, repeat these short sentences often. They help you think in English.
Like this. I'm cooking breakfast. I'm washing the dishes. I'm cleaning the kitchen.
Perfect. And one more thing. Pronunciation.
Oh, yes. That's hard sometimes.
Let's practice the word vegetables.
Vegetables?
Almost. We say veg-ta-bulls. Can you say that slowly?
Vegetables.
Excellent.
Yay!
Here's another tricky one. Recipe.
Recipe?
Close. It's recipe.
Recipe.
Perfect.
So a recipe means the steps to make food, right?
Yes. A recipe tells you what ingredients to use and how to cook.
Okay, I'll remember recipe, not recipe.
Good job.
This is fun.
Learning English should be fun, just like cooking.
Yes, and both take practice.
Exactly. The more you cook, the better you get. The more you practice English, the better you speak.
I love that.
So, Grace, what did we learn today?
We learned a lot. Let me try to remember. We learned cooking verbs, cook, boil, fry, bake, chop. We practiced real-life English in the kitchen, and we learned how to say recipe and vegetables.
Perfect summary.
Thank you.
Cooking at home is not just about food, it's about care, love, and creativity. And learning English can be the same, a way to care for yourself and connect with others.
That's beautiful, David.
Thank you. So here's our message for today. Practice your English the same way you cook. Start simple, use what you have, and enjoy the process.
I love that. And maybe share your English recipe with a friend.
Exactly. Share your English journey and your cooking too.
Before we go, I want to ask our listeners, what's your favorite food to cook at home?
Yes. Tell us in the comments or share it with the hashtag EnglishTalkTime.
We'd love to hear from you.
All right, my friends, thank you so much for listening today. We hope you enjoyed our episode, Cooking at Home, Everyday English.
And remember, you can cook, you can speak, and you can shine.
That's right. Keep practicing every day.
See you next time on English Talk Time.
Bye, everyone, and happy cooking.
Bye-bye.